Hi, I'm Andy Armacost, president of the University of North Dakota and a 30-year Air Force veteran. This is our third in a series of videos that talks about the benefits available to you through the VA to continue your education after high school. And in particular, today we're talking about benefits that support dependents. In video number 2, we talked about the post-9/11 GI Bill, which is also known as Chapter 33. Today, what we're going to talk about are what are known as Chapter 35 benefits and also the Frye Scholarship. If you're a surviving child or spouse of a veteran, you may qualify for Chapter 35 benefits. This is determined by a variety of factors that could include your parent or spouse's military death, captured or missing, or their 100% permanent service-connected disability. Eligible child dependents are between 18 and 26 years old, with some exceptions, and you must apply through the VA using VA Form 22-5490. Once a dependent is approved for benefits, they will receive a Certificate of Eligibility, otherwise known as a COE, and will need to notify the institution that they are using educational benefits. Chapter 35 benefits offer a monthly allowance and pays the eligible student directly. It doesn't cover tuition and fees. Here at the University of North Dakota, we are proudly partnering with the Heart of America Patriot Foundation, which offers additional scholarships for students who qualify for Chapter 35 benefits. And you can certainly go to the UND website at und.edu to find out more details about these great scholarship programs.
Another option is the Frye Scholarship. Similar to the post-9/11 GI Bill, this benefit ensures that all dependents of those who have died on active duty since 9/11 may qualify for educational benefits. Students may be able to get up to 36 months of benefits, including tuition, housing, and money for books and supplies when using the Frye Scholarship. To apply, fill out VA Form 22-5490 and send it to the VA regional office where you want to go to school. Something to remember is that you can qualify for both Chapter 35 benefits and the Frye Scholarship, but you must choose which program you want since you cannot use both at the same time. The state of North Dakota offers some additional benefit options at its public institutions. First, all North Dakota public schools give in-state tuition rates to military-affiliated dependents of veterans, active duty, and National Guard members, automatically regardless of state residency. Visit with UND's one-stop student services to complete the process of receiving this in-state tuition rate. This is a huge benefit for our veteran-affiliated students.
Finally, the North Dakota Century Code contains a special provision for dependents of those with 100% service-connected disabilities or members who were killed in action or missing in action. And for this program, it's the same qualifications as the VA's Chapter 35 program. And in this case, you would get a tuition waiver and regular fees waived by the state of North Dakota if you come to school at any of our public schools. And you can combine this with Chapter 35. So, for example, you can receive the free tuition and regular fees from the state of North Dakota and the stipend from the VA to cover your additional costs of education here at UND and at the other schools within the state of North Dakota. Thank you for tuning in to this video. Hopefully what we've given you are a great set of information about the great programs that exist for dependents, and in this case, dependents of those who had service-connected disabilities or were killed or missing in action. Thank you, and we hope to see you here at the University of North Dakota.